Student, this is question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. We know that additive inverse is, alpha number is a. So what is its additive inverse? It is plus a. So its additive inverse is minus a. It becomes 0. And add मतलब plus. नंबर पे क्या प्लस किया जाए कि वो जो आंसर है वो मुझे 0 मिले. ये प्लस का a था, तो मैंने इसे किससे ऐड कर दिया? माइनस a से. तो मैं कह सकता हूं कि additive inverse of a, this is plus a, is minus a. प्लस a है तो additive inverse होगा इसका minus a. Now we take the questions, its part. First is that the additive inverse of 2 by 8. So the additive inverse of 2 by 8 is 2 by 8 का additive inverse होगा minus 2 by 8. प्लस का 2 by 8 है तो उसका additive inverse होगा minus 2 by 8. This is additive inverse. This is second part, minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9. This is minus, so its additive inverse is plus 5 by 9. Third part is minus 6 upon minus 5. Children, this is minus 6 minus 5. This minus minus will cancel. If this cancel, it becomes 6 by 5. So its additive inverse is, this is plus 6 by 5. So additive inverse is minus 6 by 5. Now this is fourth part. This is 2 by minus 9. 2 by 9 minus, this is minus. So its additive inverse is 2 by plus 9. 2 by minus 9. So additive inverse is 2 by plus 9. Minus था तो plus. By plus था तो minus. Minus था तो plus. Minus था तो plus. Fifth is 19 upon minus 6. ये minus है तो इसका additive inverse होगा 19 upon 6. This is question number 2. 19 upon minus 6. Additive inverse of this is 19 by 6. This is, I am writing here additive inverse. Additive inverse of 2 by 9. 2 by minus 9 is 2 by 9. 19 by minus 6 is 19 by 6. This is question number 2. Exercise 1.1, question number 3. Verify that minus in the bracket minus x is equal to x. Now this is LHS part, this is RHS part. RHS part is given 11 by 15. This is RHS. So I take LHS part. LHS is minus in the bracket minus x की value 11 upon 15. Minus minus. This is minus and this is minus 11 by 15. Minus minus is plus, so it comes out 11 by 15. This is my LHS. This is LHS and RHS is given as x. LHS is equal to RHS. RHS, ये मेरा LHS है, ये मेरा RHS है. This is my right hand side. इसी को ले लेता हूँ. तो this is verified. This is verified. Now I take the second part. Second part is x is equal to minus 13 by 17. This is LHS part. This is RHS part. And LHS is minus x. I take LHS part, which is minus in the bracket minus x. So it is minus in the bracket minus, ये x की वैल्यू रखनी, x की वैल्यू मुझे दे रखी है यहाँ पर, ये बड़ा ब्रैकेट आ गया, x की वैल्यू दे रखी है minus 13 upon 17 bracket close. This minus is this minus is ये माइनस और x की वैल्यू रखी, x के अंदर एक माइनस था, इसलिए यहाँ पर ये माइनस आपको दिख रहा है. Now this is minus, this is big bracket, minus minus. Now I open the this bracket here, minus minus is plus, so it is 13 by 70. Now minus plus is minus, so it is minus 13 by 70, which is equal to RHS, and it is, I am solving here LHS part. So LHS, this is LHS, LHS is equal to RHS, and it is verified. It is verified. Minus bracket minus x minus minus x की वैल्यू किस में दे रखी है, माइनस में दे रखी है, माइनस 13 by 70, माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, एंड दिस माइनस प्लस, दिस इज प्लस, माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, so LHS is equal to RHS, verified.